Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Now I've come back again with another video, and this one's going to be a completely shopping haul video. Now, Sephora was running a 50% discount on their entire website, and I did bought some of my favorite items from Sephora. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video and let me show you guys what are all the new products and also what are all the restocks that I have done from Sephora sale. But before moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now this is the package. I have already opened the package. You guys can see I am not going to go into too much detail. We'll keep the video super short, so I'm going to quickly show you all the products that I got. On the entire video I'm going to be mentioning the retail price and the discount price on the top of the screen, so you can take a look over there. Now the first product that I wanted to talk about is this foundation which I got from Makeup Forever. This is a Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation and I'm in the shade 2L01. I really wanted to try out this foundation from so long because it gives you that seamless smooth finish, and I'm so excited to try this out. Wait for the review. Next product is going to be this all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. Now this is my absolute favorite long-lasting setting spray that I use, and I wanted to restock on the fuller version, full-size bottle, but unfortunately they ran out of stock and I was getting it for a very good discounted prices. But this one is also not a bad deal. This retails for 17 originally and I got this one for $12, so not a bad deal. And this is the size, which is like a smaller size, travel friendly size, and just love this product. Next product that I got is this Huda Beauty Fox Filler Lip Gloss in the set of trio. They are mini sizes, they are not the full sizes. I do own two of them, which is the Bombshell and then the Clear Gloss one. But they always run out of stock and I really wanted to like get them because they're super travel friendly. You can see the size, it's so nice. And there was this shade that I really wanted to try out and it is called as the Sugar Baby, and this is how it looks. So I think this is pretty cute and I got this in a very good deal. Next product that I got is Super Glow Screen Sunscreen which has SPF 40, and I got this in the shade called as Sunrise. Now this gives you a little tinted effect and I love using this sunscreen underneath my makeup to get that illuminator or like a glowy kind of a base, and this also helps in the sun protection but also leaves kind of a tint, so really like this one too. Next product, you're not going to believe, you guys. I got the Estee Lauder Night Repair Eye Cream in $55, guys. Usually it retails for around $78 to $80 and I got this for just $55. I was like, that is such a great deal, I have to grab this one. And then the moment I ordered it, I saw after a couple of minutes they literally ran out of the product, so I actually got it and I'm so happy that I got the big deal in this one. This is the night cream that I use every single night and I swear by this product. Absolutely love this one. Now since I got the eye cream, I had to get the Advanced Night Repair Serum because I like to pair up the eye cream with the Night Repair Serum. It is super good serum, you guys. It is a multi-recovery complex serum which really helps in your skin. I'm going to create a detailed video for all the skincare products. I'm just going to show you all the products that I got now for now, and I just again got this for a very good deal. I am so much into water sleeping mask, and every night or every alternate night I should say, I lock my skin, the skincare routine with a water sleeping mask. I used to use a different brand, but I really wanted to try out this Laneige water sleeping mask, and I'm so glad that I got this one in a very good sale price, and it is super hydrating, you guys. I've been using this since I got it. It's been 2 weeks since I got this package and this has shown a really great results on my skin, so again, loving this product. I also got the Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. This is pretty expensive and I got this for like $3 and I was like, oh, I have to get this one, $3 to $4 something around. And it is again a super hydrating sheet mask. You can always save this one for your big day, or if you have a big event to attend. This is super hydrating and just does wonders to your skin. I love this collagen deep mask. Then I also got the Laneige Mini Lip Glowy Balm Set, which comes in the 4 pieces: berry, gummy bear, sweet candy, and vanilla. Now these do not have any tint in it. It's just a clear lip balm, but you can definitely, after applying, you can definitely taste, you know, it, like the first one does taste like a berry, and then the second one does taste like a gummy bear. So I don't know what is it, but you can actually taste, you know, I mean, like you're actually eating a gummy bear. You're actually eating a berry. It just tastes like that. But again, they do not leave any sort of tint colored onto your lips. It's just a clear lip balm. But again, they're super hydrating for your lips. They just leave a very good, you know, moisture on the lips. So again, I love this one. The one product I wanted to restock on is this body butter from the brand called as Josie Marin, and the one that I really like is the whipped argan oil body butter. It's in the pixie tangerine and pink grapefruit. And unfortunately, I only got the smaller size. I wanted to restock on the bigger one, but again, because of the sale, they completely ran out of the product. You know, if you want to know how actually I smell, you have to try out this body butter. Like, it smells heavenly, you guys. Like, so good. And you can pair up with its body mist. Again, a very good fragrance. So this is again a very good product for your body. I also got the Sephora moisturizing lip balm in the color called as cherry. You know what? I recently discovered this lip balm, and I really love the kind of the tinted color it leaves on my lips. You know, like let's say you want to go out, but you don't want to, you know, apply a lipstick. So you can definitely apply such sort of lip balms which leaves kind of a tinted color onto your lips. They are hydrating at the same time. They're also leaving a sort of color onto your lips so that your lips look like, you know, they're fuller. They have some color, and you do not look pale, because in case I do not apply any color on my lips, my whole face looks so pale, and that's one of the reason I have to apply something onto my lips so that I look kind of, you know, little lively. So again, this is I think for $5 or $4, but a very great product. But it just goes on, like the moment you start using it, it doesn't stay longer. Like within couple of weeks, it'll be gone like completely. Now I also got few of the lip liners from Huda Beauty, and also a eye pencil in the shade Sapphire from Too Faced. And this is my first time I will be using this, so wait for the review. But for Huda Beauty lip stain which are newly launched, I have created a review video on my Instagram, so you can go and watch it there. I'm not going to talk about them in this video, but the two lip liners are the restocked one, like the Contour 2.0, but the lip stains are the newly launched, so I really wanted to try them out. That's why I got them. And the Too Faced one, just wait for it. And then guys, I also got some of the lipsticks. I got actually Kulfi Beauty lipsticks in the 3 shades, which is called as Mars Mishra, uh, Mars Mars Misra, and then Polki Dots, First Sari. And this is how the colors look. I'm gonna swatch them up for you guys just in case you want to see how they look. So this one is First Sari, this one is Mars Misra, and then the third one is called as Polki Dots. They are super hydrating. They just glides on like butter, and I think they are super, they have like kind of like a cushiony you know, a cushiony kind of like a finish, I feel like. I do think they are like, if they are easily transferable, because the moment I'm just rubbing them, they're just coming off. See, so but again, I think for a daily purposes, when I don't have to go for like a some big event or whatever, I can just use them. So just for like a grocery shopping or something. But I wanted to try out the Kulfi Beauty lipstick, so I got 3 shades. And you know, so far this is how the shades look. I'm gonna try them on myself in another video, and then you guys can see it. And I also restocked on some of my favorite lipsticks. 2 are from Huda Beauty. They are the lip gloss. Then one is from you know, Too Faced, called as Cocoa Bowl, and then another one is Makeup by Mario. It's in the shade called as Skate. These 4 shades are my restocked, and just wanted to get them because I ran out of these. Now there's this new brand that I really wanted to try out. It's called as Sai, and then I got their blush which is in the shade called as Mia. I really wanted to try out this one. And then I also got their liquid blush, and then also a liquid bronzer. The bronzer is in the shade called as Swim, and then the blush is in the shade called as Chili. Let's just open and see how they look, because since I got them, I have have also not opened these. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let me open the bronzer as well. See how it looks. Okay, so this is the bronzer, this is the blush. The color look really nice. I might create a video on you know, trying out all the new products, then you can see. But yeah, this is how it looks. And then this is how the blush looks. I have never used this brand, but this is how the blush looks. Okay, it is super pigmented, by the way. Yes, it's super pigmented. This is how it looks. I'm really excited to try this one out, but wait for the new video. And yeah, this is how it looks. Alright you guys, so these were all the products that I got from the Sephora sale. I did bought new products from Amazon sale, like the Amazon Prime Day sale, and then also from Ulta Beauty. Once they get delivered, maybe I can combine and create a video on those. And I just got like some of the skincare items from Amazon and then also from Ulta Beauty. No new products, just restocked on the older ones. So let me know if you guys want to see that as well. So once everything gets delivered, I'll create a video on that. But as of now, these are all the products that I got from the Sephora sale, and I'm really excited to try out the new products, and I will definitely create a new video trying out all the new products that I got. But till then, I am just gonna sign off from this video and see you guys in the new one. And in case you have any questions or recommendations or want me to film a certain video for you guys, make sure you comment down below and let me know. I will definitely film a different video for you guys. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video, but till then, you guys take care of yourself. Bye.